Hi everyone, so today we'll see how to enable Xoxoday in your organization. Okay, now we have logged in into your cloud portal. Now let's go to marketplace. Scroll down to Xoxoday, click on add, click on yes. This will redirect you to the Xoxoday account page. You can log in with your credentials or you can sign up with a new account. We have already logged in. As you can see, this is the home page. Now let's go to cloud portal again. Go to ESS settings. You can go down to role allocation. Click on my apps. Click on user. Click on search. As you can see, Xoxoday is enabled over here. So when you click on this and click on save, this will give this role access for Xoxoday page in their ESS portal. Now let's go into a ESS portal. And click on my apps. As you can see, Xoxoday is visible over here. The points and balance would be displayed on this page and the employee can click on redeem. Okay, now if you go on this Xoxoday store, these are the gift card. Like you can add to cart, you can buy and assign, delegate this to the employees, which would be visible in their ESS portal. That's it. Thank you.